Editing used to take me 4 hours. With Tella, I was done in 30 minutes or less. Let's be honest. Editing videos can feel like punishment for having ideas. You record something useful, a tutorial, a demo, a client walkthrough, a YouTube video, and then you spend 3 times longer trimming silences and slicing out every like you're running a deli counter. So that's where Tella comes in. Hi, my name is Novi. I'm a freelancer and a content creator, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I use Tella, my favorite AI video editing tool and screen recorder. I'll walk you through how I use Tella to go from screen recording to professional looking content without sacrificing half a day or my will to live. All right, so let's start. Tella gives you 2 ways to start recording. You can use the Mac app where you can download it on your computer, and you can also use the web app to record a video. You can also upload something so you can stitch it to your existing video. I prefer the Mac app because it's very easy and very handy to use, and you can do a lot of things about it. You can also use as a teleprompter where you can just record while reading your script if you prefer having a script. And yeah, so I prefer the Mac app. So it has the smoothest experience, fast, stable, clean. So in order for you to record a video in the Mac app, just open the Tella app and then click the red button to start recording. You can also show your speaker notes if you want to use a teleprompter while recording. And once you're done, just click the red button again to stop recording. Then for you to go to editing, just click preview. So once you click preview, you will be redirected to the web app. So when you're on the web app, your video will start uploading. And once it's done, you can see the dashboard like this. So I'm going to tour you into the dashboard. Let's have a quick tour. So this is Tella's dashboard. So you have here, if you record one clip, everything will show here. So if you want to add a clip, just click add a clip, and then you will choose how do you want to add this clip. Use the web app or the Mac OS app. So that's how you create multiple clips with. So you don't have to rush and record in one recording. And then this is the title. Tella will give you automatic titles, so it's easier for you to search. And then this button is the fast edit. I call this the fast edit. You can toggle this off if you want to edit the original video, but the performance may be slower. So I prefer editing in the fast mode. So just toggle it on so you can edit faster. And the video will load faster because you edit with low quality, but you export it with the original quality of your video. And Tella also has this feature, the collaborative editing feature, where you can invite your team members to edit this video, record the video with you, review the video, or anything that you do with a video. You can add workspace member. You can add your team members, a video editor, or someone who likes to collaborate with your video. So that's great, right? So just click this button, just enter a name or an email. So first you need to enter an email to invite the team member that you'd like to invite into your video or your workspace. And then once you invited that person needs to accept your invitation for him or her to join you in the collaborative editing. Okay, so that's one feature. And then on your right side are the editing tools. All right, so on your right side are the editing tools. So you have here the trim button, the zoom button, the layout button, background, border, subtitles, mirror, crop, and redo. All right, so let's go with the trim button first. So this is how Tella earns its halo. So this is an AI video editing tool where speed comes first. So this is an AI video editing tool where you can trim, buffers, silences, and you can remove filler words with just one click. And you can also edit your video using its transcript. So let's try. Here, if you want. So as you can see, this is the timeline. You can zoom in or out the timeline just like that. And as you can see, there are a lot of spaces, which means those are silences. So we want to remove that with just one click. So here comes the magic. Okay, so we want to remove buffer. Says you can save 17.3 seconds by removing the silent parts at the start and the end of your video. So just remove the buffers at the start and the end. Let's try. There we go. As you can see, the silences at the start and at the end of your video are already removed with just one click. Now, let's remove the silences. So it says here we have 57 silences. So you can choose whether it's natural, fast. So if you want fast, that's 70 silences. Faster, you have 85 silences. So let's choose faster. So you can see, remove 85 silences. All the silences here are already removed. If you want to manually edit your videos, you can also do that. But at first, you need to trim the video using the AI tool so it's easier and faster to review the video later. And then next is the filler words. So the AI recognizes 7 filler words. So we can remove this to save 11 seconds. So let's do it. Now it's removed. All right, so if you want to review your video using the transcript, let's just edit the video. So right, hi friend, hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Novi. I'm a freelancer and a content. So let's remove that. Delete content creator. So in this video, I'm going to show you. Okay, so let's remove this. It's up all there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut PC or Cap on how to use the CapCut. So you can just review your transcript or edit your video using your transcript, or you can just manually edit here on the timeline. Yeah, so you can still have full control. And if you want to cut a section manually, you can just do it on the timeline. So just drag the handles, so just play it. Hi friend, hey, welcome to my channel. So let's just delete that like that. Okay, and display. Hey, welcome to my channel. My name is Novi. I am a freelancer and content creator. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut PC or CapCut Desktop. All right, so that's how you edit really with Tella. So that's the trim function of Tella. All right, so after the trim function, I usually go with the layout. So on the right corner of your screen, just click layout. And then you can see here a lot of layout templates. So you can have the wide option, the portrait for TikTok or shorts, the square layout for Instagram. So you can repurpose actually your video with Tella. Here, if you want to change the layout of your video like that, just do it like that. One click. So just click add a layout. Here, we want our first clip to look like that, and then here we want to share our screen, something like this, and then here we want another layout. So that's how easy it is to change layout with Tella. You can choose face cam on the left, on the right, full screen, or just a screen. So that's how you use the layout function of Tella. So easy. So nice, right? It's like you hired a motion designer. If you use CapCut with this kind of feature, you have to use the mask feature of CapCut. If you want to like create something like this, you will use mask for any video editing app. But with Tella, just choose the layout and with just one click, it's there. All right, so that's the layout function of Tella. Now the zoom effects. Need to draw attention to a tiny button or a line of text? Let's add a zoom effect. So the zoom effect feature is right here. So you can generate zooms automatically, or you can just add manually. So if you click generate zooms, it will generate. Let's add zoom. The tracking will be auto, or okay, let's select, wait, here. For example, like that, add zoom, something like that. So hey, welcome to my channel. So it goes like that. So the auto function will track the movement of your mouse. Okay, so that's how Zoom works with Tella. All right, now, so if you want to change the background, just click this one. You can click an image or upload an image. So Tella has a lot of options you can choose from, and you can also have the Tella backgrounds right there or the Mac OS background. So I prefer the animated backgrounds where you can choose a lot of fancy backgrounds. And if you have a brand, you can just use your brand colors for your backgrounds. That's how background works with Tella. And now the borders. So this is the background button, so you can choose from image, animated, backgrounds, and color. If you have a brand, you can use the solid color or the gradient color to match your video with your brand. And if you prefer animated backgrounds, you have a lot of backgrounds to choose from. And also, you can also choose from images where you can upload like your logo or a picture for your background. So you can also use that. You can also choose from Unsplash if you want it to like a stock image. You can use the Tella and Mac OS background templates. Okay, so now let's go with the border. So you can choose from the shape of your border, just like it's rounded ones or this one and this one and this one. Okay, that, like that, like that. So it's very easy to customize your videos, the background and the border features, right? And that's how the background and the border features work. Now let's go with subtitles. So still on the right corner of your screen, just click subtitles and just toggle this on. And there you go. Let's select which. So in this comprehensive tutorial, I will walk you through. So how about this one? Let's edit. If you want to edit the captions, just click this and drag it like medium or small. And then you can also customize the color. You have a brand like green. All right, that's it. You can edit the style, the size, the position, and the colors of your subtitles. Cool. Everything from the this one's cute. Basics of editing, from the basics, setting up your project. I think this is my favorite in this one. These three are my favorites. Okay, so you can also edit if there are misspells. You can also edit there like that. My name is Novi there. So yeah, that's the only thing that's misspelled. That's it. That's how you use subtitles and edit subtitles in Tella. All right, and now some other important features are the mirror. So you can mirror your camera, but I don't like because the default is my best angle. You can also crop your screen like that. Crop. Yeah, you can crop like that. And you can also redo or re-record this video. So these are the functionalities of Tella that will make you create a clean and professional looking video. And now let's go to the downloading and sharing of your videos. So when you're happy with your video and you're ready to export your video, just click this download button and choose the file type, subtitles, burned in or none. So you have here separate clips, and then the size should be 4K. And then if it's shorter than 5 minutes, then you can choose 60 frames per second and then click start export. But if you want to share your video, just share it to your teammate. Just click share and copy the link and just send the link. How simple and straightforward it is. Okay, so Tella is usually compared to Loom, but Tella is a better Loom, and Loom knows it because you can have unlimited recording time, AI editing tools built in, intuitive layout and design features, transcript based editing, customizable captions, way more personality. And yeah, it's very affordable. So you can use the free 7-day trial, and if you use my link, you'll get 30% off. So yeah, just use it and try Tella and make good videos and start a YouTube channel. Yeah, I've been using Tella for 12 months already, and as you can see my YouTube videos, all of those are recorded with Tella. From 12 months ago, I'm already using Tella. So Tella actually took what used to be the most annoying part of my workflow and turned it into something I actually look forward to. Tella all day. But if you're ready to stop editing videos, like it's 2008, grab the free trial, use my link, and experience the joy of not hating your own content. Subscribe if you like the tools that do the work for you, because you've got better things to do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe, because I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to write your comments what you think of Tella, or do you have any tool better than Tella? And I also have a comparison video with Loom versus Tella. So see who's better. See which one's better. Thank you. Bye.